Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your finances in 2025. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to deposit money from your Chime account to Wells Fargo. Whether you're switching banks, paying bills, or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's get right into it. First off, why would you want to do this? Chime is great for everyday banking with its no-fee perks, but sometimes you need to transfer money to a traditional bank like Wells Fargo for investments or larger transactions. The good news is that in 2025, digital transfers are faster and more secure than ever. But before we start, make sure you have both accounts set up and verified. Double-check your login details and account numbers to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Chime app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfer or Move Money section. This is usually found on the main dashboard or under a menu icon. Here, you'll see options for external transfers. Step 2. Select the option to add a new bank account. You'll need to enter your Wells Fargo account details, including the routing number and account number. Pro tip: keep these handy to speed things up, and ensure they're correct to prevent any delays or failed transfers. Step 3. Choose the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transfer. Chime often uses ACH transfers, which are free but might take 1 to 3 business days to process in 2025, depending on the banks involved. If you're in a rush, look for any instant transfer options, though they might come with a small fee. Step 4. Review and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to verify it with a code sent to your phone or email for security reasons. Once approved, sit back and wait for confirmation. Now, a quick heads up: always check for any transfer fees from either Chime or Wells Fargo. In 2025, most apps are minimizing costs, but it's smart to review your account settings. Also, ensure you're within daily or monthly transfer limits to avoid issues. And there you have it. That's how you easily deposit money from Chime to Wells Fargo. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you run into any problems, reach out to customer support from either bank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance hacks. See you in the next video.